Petty cash funds. What is a petty cash fund? It is a small amount of money kept by the business to pay for small everyday expenses they might incur. In a small business, it might be a physical box like we see here. Now we know what a petty cash fund is, let's learn how to record them. There are 3 steps to petty cash funds. Step 1 is to establish the fund. 2 is to use the petty cash, and 3 is topping the fund back up. So let's look at an example question. You will notice in step 1, 2, and 3 have been color-coded red, blue, and green respectively. On the 1st of January, Melissa Co. establishes a petty cash fund in the amount of $750. On 31st of January, the fund is replenished. Before replenishment, there was $278.25 remaining in the petty cash drawer and the following receipts. And then they've given some example expenses that we may use petty cash funds for. So step 1 is to establish the fund. To do this, move money from the cash to the petty cash account. Now the accounts will know about the physical money box that we've created, like you see in the picture on the right. Step 2 is to use the fund. Any small expenses can be paid for with cash as long as all withdrawals are replaced with a receipt, like we see in this video here. So when we go to refill the fund, this brings us to the final step. We open the drawer on the 31st of January and find $278.25 in cash and all the receipts. We want to top it back up to $750 of just cash, but how do we do this? Firstly, we take out all the receipts and record them as expenses in the debit column as we see in this video. Next, we add all of these expenses and cash left over. If this does not match $750 that we want, this is called cash over or short. In this case, $1.50 short in the debit column fixes it. Finally, we match expenses and cash over or short with a credit from cash account. Now all the expenses are recorded and the fund is refilled. Now you know how to record petty cash funds. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.